Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear, in this video we are going to discuss the MCQs of Chemistry 12 Chapter 5, the halogens and the noble gases. First MCQs is, which of the following hydrogen halide is the weakest acid in solution HF, HBr, HI or HCl? There, HF is the weakest halogen acid due to its strong hydrogen bonding. Due to hydrogen bonding, partially positive hydrogen atom entrapped between highly electronegative fluorine, as you can see in diagram. Hydrogen is entrapped between two highly electronegative fluorine atoms. So the exact answer is HF. Next, chlorine heptoxide react with water to form hypochlorous acid, chloric acid, perchloric acid, chlorine and oxygen. There, chlorine heptoxide react with water, it gives perchloric acid. The chlorine heptoxide is an hydride of HClO4. So the exact answer is perchloric acid. Next, hydrogen bond is the strongest between the molecules of HF, HCl, HBr and HI. There, HF shows strongest hydrogen bonding due to high electronegativity of fluorine. There is no hydrogen bonding in other acids. So the exact answer is HF. Which halogen will react spontaneously with Au, means urine, to produce Au plus 3, bromine, fluorine, iodine or chlorine gas? There, chlorine reacts spontaneously with Au to form Au plus 3, so gold become dissolved due to formation of soluble chloride. This is used in aquaregia. So the exact answer is Cl2. Next, anhydride of HClO4 is ClO3, ClO2, Cl2O5, Cl2O7. There, two molecules of HClO4 jointly removed one water molecules to give Cl2O7. Hence, Cl2O7 is an anhydride of HClO4. So the exact answer is Cl2O7. Next, bleaching powder may be produced by passing chlorine over calcium carbonate, hydrated calcium sulfate, anhydrous calcium sulfate or calcium hydroxide. There, the reaction of chlorine with calcium hydroxide, which is called slacked lime, produce bleaching powder, as you can see in the reaction given below. So the exact answer is calcium hydroxide. Next, which is the strongest acid, HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4? There, the acid strength increase with increase in the number of oxygen atoms, so HClO4 is the strongest acid among given oxyacids of chlorine. So the exact answer is HClO4. Next, which halogen occurs naturally in positive oxidation state, fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine? There are some compounds of iodine which are present in nature in which the oxidation number of iodine is positive. Other halogens may have positive oxidation state but in artificial compounds. The compounds of iodine which show positive oxidation state of iodine is NaIO3, in which iodine has +5 oxidation state, and NaIO4 in which iodine has +7 oxidation state. So the exact answer is iodine. Next, an element that has high ionization energy and tends to be chemically inactive would mostly likely to be an alkali metal, a transition element, noble gas or halogen. There, noble gas has complete valence shell and has highest ionization energy, so it tends to be chemically inactive. So the exact answer is a noble gas. Next, which of the following represent the correct electronic configuration of the outermost energy level of an element of 0 group, means 8a group in the ground state? There, the 0 group or 8a group of the periodic table have noble gases and they have 8 electrons in the outermost shell, 2 electrons in s orbital and 6 electrons in the p orbital. So their valence shell electronic configuration is s2p6. So the exact answer is s2p6. देर आज के लिए इतना ही. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर की एमसीक्यूज को सॉल्व करेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.